How's it going? Brandon Gritter's Nature Valley Pro Ride. Just got done with the Grand Prix at the Great Park out here in Irvine, California. It's a midweek race series every Thursday night. It's put on by California Bicycle Racing, and I've been doing the series for the last 8 weeks. Won the first series, ended last week, and we just started up the next 8-week series tonight. Got into a decent break with about 5 or 6 other guys. We were able to stay away. Had a little mechanical issue towards the end of the race with the chain, but ended up getting second, hanging on for second, so it was a good night, a good workout. So the next couple days leading into Nature Valley here, I'm going to take it fairly easy the next couple days, do another hard ride here and there. That was my training partner, Bounce. He trains on the easy days with me. So, yes, he wants to be in the video too. He made the video. So, see you guys in a few days out in Minnesota.
To go, right?